Cleanses to remove buildup impurities on your scalp and restore hair. Zinc pyrithione protects scalp from dandruff. Formula gives your scalp and hair deep hydration. Get ready to clean your scalp to the pore with the deep cleaning power of Head and Shoulders Shampoo, with charcoal. The true attraction of charcoal is its natural ability to clear away toxins and draw out dirt and oils. Head Shoulders Shampoo, infused with charcoal, purifies and restores your scalp while nourishing hair to a healthy feel. The formula is guaranteed to give you proven protection from flakes, itch, excess oil and dryness. That means getting the clean, 100% flake-free hair you're after is 100% within reach. Top reviews from the United States. Best shampoo ever for men. Great scent, I love the charcoal quality, and keeps my scalp healthy and no flaking.